Cybersecurity Challenges is a new and innovative way to learn security software development. This game was developed at Siemens in partnership with the University of Armed Forces in Munich and ISCTE in Portugal. In this hands-on workshop, the participants will be presented with exercises containing vulnerable code. The goal of the game is for the participants to collect points through fixing the existing security vulnerabilities while keeping the functionality of the code intact. We welcome you to our challenges and hope you have a good time.